spending time with elders is the best thing ever. They just have this warm feel about them. They make you feel at home and connected to your ancestors from thousands and thousands of years prior. And being able to carry on our Inupiaq values and Inupiaq traditions that they're able to learn is huge for our future. My position at the Aqqaluk Trust, I'm the Inupiaq Director, and Inupiaq in Inupiaq translates into our way of life. Part of my job is to work with the Regional Elders Council and the Inupiaq Language Commission, and it was their desire to have a Regional Elders and Youth Conference so that they could bring students from each of our villages all together to learn from elders that came from all of our 11 villages. And they said, we want to be able to talk with them in the morning, but we really want to be hands-on and show them how to do things in the afternoon. So based on what the elders said, that's how we determined what arts and native crafts we were going to be able to make together. For the Elders and Youth Conference, our theme was called Ilisaklik Atochikun, which means learning together. The elders chose the theme and they really wanted it to be a space that they could share with the students, but also hear from the students on what they're experiencing and how they best learn and how we could have more involvement with the youth from the elders and the culture bearers in the community. We also did a jigging and ice fishing workshop. So they spent the first day in the shop making an olafron, which is our fishing sticks for ice fishing. And then the next day they got to go out onto the ice and catch she-fish, which is a white fish.
I catch one big fish at the last minute or second.
We also had Mary teach a class on making headbands with beaver and otter, which was really awesome.
It's our culture. It's the foundation of who we are. This is passed on from generation to generation from our ancestors.
I'd like our students to feel a sense of pride in knowing that they are our culture bearers. We always talk about elders, but our youth are really our elders in training. They're training to carry on our language and our culture for generations to come.
Pinyak nak to min nak tek pambi.